So now the next topic is greenhouse. So greenhouse is a glass house in which the plants are grown in winter. So what happens? The glass walls protect the heat from the sun to escape out and makes an environment in which suitable environment in which the plants can grow. In earth also such a system exists. And what happens? In solar rays, three different kinds of rays are there: the infrared, the ultraviolet and the white light. So if you can see, there is a layer of atmosphere over the earth's surface. So what happens? Here ozone layer is there. Ozone by the ozone layer, the infrared rays, what happens? They are reflected back, they are passed in, and the white rays are passed in to the earth's surface, while the ultraviolet rays, being harmful for the organisms, they are reflected back. This infrared rays gives us heat and white light gives the light to see. So near that, the greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbon, water vapor, ozone, etc. is there, which traps these infrared rays near the surface and maintains the temperature of the earth's surface. But what happens? This effect is called greenhouse effect, and the gases greenhouse gases. But nowadays, because of increasing pollution, or you can say cutting down of trees, the amount of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbon, water vapor and ozone are increasing gradually. Why? Because if we see about the carbon dioxide, it is produced as a byproduct of exhalation and also by burning the fossil fuels from the smoke of the chimneys of the factories and all. So when trees are being cut down due to deforestation, trees are being cut down because of deforestation, as you can see, no use of these carbon dioxide is there, or the less trees, you will use less carbon dioxide. Then what will happen? The amount will be increased. Then as a result, more heat will be trapped and the planet will become more warm, or the heat will increase. Same thing about methane. It is a natural gas. So a large amount of it is released back to the atmosphere when herbivorous animals digest their food. So it is also increasing the heat. Chlorofluorocarbon is used in our refrigerators and air conditions. So what happens? This is said to be the main cause of hole in ozone layer. So it also traps up the heat. So it is used widely. So nowadays also it is adding to the heating up of the atmosphere, more heating up. Then water vapor and ozone also are there. So these all leads to increase in the heat of the air or atmosphere. Now this effect is called as global warming, which is our this picture nicely. So you see, one here is a peaceful green earth, other is a burning yellow earth. So now this second picture reflects the global warming problem. So increase in the level of the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere leads to increase in the temperature of the earth. So over the last 100 years, the average temperature has increased, and it is estimated that next century will see a rise in about 2 to 6 degrees. Now, if this happens, then the polar ice caps will melt. There will be a rise in the ocean level, and you know what will happen. So it is a disaster will happen. So we need to stop this. Everybody, it is the responsibility of every country, everybody to reduce the level of the greenhouse gases. How we will reduce it? So we need to use such fuels which do not release these harmful gases. Now the other problem we have is pollution. You can see, so pollution means presence of harmful substances in air, water or land, so which can harm or discomfort all the living beings. So you know that smoke is there, or that poisonous waste which is released by the factories is there, and oceans is there, so it causes the pollution. So there is need of curbing this problem of pollution. How we can do that and make our earth green and better place? So we need to restrict the use of vehicles and electricity. In industries, tall chimneys or filters with filters should be fitted, so that, and they should be away from the population. Yes, and there should be a penal system. That means those who are not abiding the laws, they should be fined. And the the dirty water should be treated with chemicals so that it will be less harmful. And we should not use plastic bags, and we should use the paper bags. See, there is a system, there should be a system to categorize the waste and dump it properly, and this everybody can do. We must plant more and more trees. If we don't have space in our near the home, we should try and make a balcony garden or a terrace garden. This will add to the level of oxygen, and the level of carbon dioxide will come down, because plants use carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, and we need to follow the 3 R's. Okay, so this is the chapter. In the next video we'll deal with the book exercises.